How to add money from Cash App to Venmo. To add money from Cash App to Venmo, you can't directly transfer funds between the two apps. However, you can use the following workaround. If you haven't linked bank account to Cash App and Venmo, link the same bank account to both. By transferring funds from Cash App to your bank account, open the Cash App and go to the banking section. Choose Add Cash to transfer funds to your linked bank account or select Cash Out if the funds are already in Cash App. By transferring funds from your bank account to Venmo, open Venmo and go to the three-dot menu. Tap Manage Balance and select Add Funds. Choose the linked bank account and add funds from there. You'll be asked to enter the amount that you wish to transfer. Once finished, tap on Done. This way, you can indirectly move money between Cash App and Venmo using your bank account as an intermediary. Thanks for watching.